Hi, I'm Kedger on two wheels and I am exploring again. Today I'm trying to connect two little pieces in on the map that I saw, and that should be able to be connected. Yep, it works, it's through here. It's not quite as straightforward as I thought. I thought this was going to be a shortcut, but it's so slow it is not going to work as a shortcut, unfortunately. And there's stairs. That was not expected at all. I wonder if she will climb these stairs. Let's see. This will end in tears. Because I'm not sure if I'm going to bump it from below or not. Then again, I could go around here. No, I'm bumping what? The exhaust? No, it's the exhaust. Never mind. Not worth it. I'm grounding the bike. So yeah, this does not work. Even if I go left through here, I'll have to climb that, and then that. Nah, not worth it. I'll go back. Drats, this shortcut does not work. Too bad. And now, because I cannot turn around, not in this place, I'm going to do is this little trick I know, like so. Here we go. Job done. Now we can go. Who put those steps there? Silly people. Did I go here or there? Oh, it was here. No, it wasn't, but this will work. By the way, my visor was open, so eye full of branches, not nice. Oh, and I can't also go down those steps because I will ground the bike unless I go way too fast. So no, that cannot be done, unfortunately. This is so sad. Okay, Google, play Despacito. I wanted to not do this little part and go through that kinda straight and up onto this road up ahead. Now I'm going to try another one, because I would then land over there on that road. Now here, if I go straight, I can bypass this school part, which is usually full of traffic, and go through a relatively harmless dirt path and end up on the road up ahead. Of course, we all know how dirt paths look on satellite and how they are in reality. So supposedly I just go straight right here. So let's go straight right here. Way deeper than I thought. That put the bike on a big slide I did not want. So yeah, the path I followed on the maps was that way. That way is easier, and the road's up ahead is that thing over there. But that is a pretty hazardous climb which ends on the road, so I can climb it. It's not that complicated. It is quite steep, but with balance I can do it. Thing is, I'll end on the road and I cannot stop in the middle to see if there are cars coming. The other end is over there and seems to be less steep, so I'm going to go left here. See what's here. Oh, that's not good. Oh, I don't like these ruts at all, because that will end there, I think, and I do not see a way to do that either. So let's go back onto that ramp and see how that goes. If it doesn't go, I'll just turn around. Heavy bike. Get back here. Oh well, you win. For those that don't know, this is actually much simpler than it seems. You just grab the handlebar. On some bikes you can do this and just twist to yourself, to your side. It'll come. Or I just grab here, pull it to me, so it's balanced off, and just twist. The thing is, I am digging my way in, so be careful of that. I'm digging my side stands down. Okay. Ouch. I got stuck on a branch. So let's go. No, it's not an off-road machine. No, I do not have off-road tires. What I do have is pure stubbornness and not much sense. That's not going to be smart. I'm going to go that way. Whoops. It's just that it's a ramp, and at the top of a ramp it's the road. And if it was straight, I would just gun it and go. Because it's not straight up, the road is perpendicular to this exit. I know that would just end in tears, or rather would end with me on top of the hood of some car. That's also not very good pavement, but again, I was stupid and had to stop in the middle, just like I did with the Africa Twin. Stupid me. Stupid. Oh, I have managed to burn myself into a hole here. That was smart. That was really fucking smart. Dipshit. This is gonna end bad. I dug myself into a fucking hole. So to do this, I really have to go with some balance. Why did I stop? Okay. I can't use this path now because I made a hole in it. And my clutch is slightly burned. I can smell the burn. Try two. How am I going to do this? I'll need to do some balance and go. Por ali. É uma boa ideia. É melhor do que este caminho. Obrigado. So, an old lady just gave me some off-roading advice. So that's how good I am. Getting off-roading advice from an old lady. How cool is that? And remember, This idiot right here that you're watching, that cannot do off-road without a middle-aged woman telling him how to do it, managed to do some pretty crazy shit at Picos de Europa. Well, that was a matter of thank you. That was a big... Pois, exatamente. That was a big slidey mess there. Then again, my usual problem with off-roading is lack of confidence, since I don't want to drop the bike. So here I would have landed on that part there. Since I have a lack of confidence on the bike and on the grip, a general lack of confidence doing it, I'm afraid. And when I'm afraid, when you're afraid, you slow, you make everything more complicated. Going up that ramp, I suddenly went a bit, oh, that's not a good place to stop, or a place to go through. That looks deep, and it was deep. So I just held the throttle and hoped. And it did slide a bit, but wasn't that bad. And it worked. It actually worked. I'm impressed. I wasn't expecting it to work. Just slid a bit and just kept on going. I really would like to practice some off-road, but I would need a bike that can tumble. This is not that bike. I need something I can fall off. Maybe I'll learn some sense when I break an arm or two. But in the meantime, I would like to try it out, but it would need something to be lighter, like a CRF 250 or something that's not 200 kilograms. Something that can fall over and not break itself into tiny little pieces. Let's see what is here on the right. Apparently, this little dirt path, you can see this where this is going to end on a little road up ahead, which I use. So let's see. Oh, I'm not standing up on purpose because this is not hazardous enough to warrant standing up, so I need to get that off my system. Standing up for every little bit of off-roading, it's not needed. Like someone commented on one of my videos, when you need to stand up, you'll know it. This is perfectly fine so far. I'm not liking that this is tightening, but hey, what the hell. I just need to be careful where I put my wheels. What line am I taking? Hey, this works brilliantly here. This is a pretty easy path here. When I did that thing in the Picos de Europa, which I'm not sure the video is out yet, when I did that thing, I was expecting the path to be something like this. I was fine. Well, it wasn't. It was just river rocks, those very sleek, very spherical, very rounded rocks piled on top of each other. And so it was bad. It was bad. It was awful. So I know a shortcut now. A pretty cool and pretty easy shortcut I can take. And so that's it. A little bit of exploring. There's also a road that goes from here all the way straight, but I didn't see the exit, so I don't think there is an exit. Yeah, that's it. Gauge routes.